this plane. So if you want to swim in the water, it's really easy. You have to go in the settings and detailed water. And now look, it's even waving. And plus, we can swim on it. Swim in it, which is kind of cool. This is actually very cool. I never knew that. One day I came to know about that. So yeah, I'm just gonna bang my spice button. Gonna bang it. Gonna just bang it. Okay, I'm gonna stop banging now. The manager, I can't even talk. The manager job is open. Oh, she became the manager. Who cares? It's a booyah. Do I need to go to the dump? Kind of. Okay, anyways, I am gonna go. This is my before car, guys. This one, which my mom made me crash into, and mine is B1. My house is B1, which is very easy. Should I put it on the side? I'm just gonna park my car. I don't know what. I'm not gonna kick him. Maybe he told something bad. I don't even know what he did. I am the manager. I'm just gonna say. I know. I'm at my house, guys. Do you like my house? I decorated it very nicely. So, gonna off that light. Oh, yeah. Gonna off that light. Gonna off the chandelier. And that's pretty much all the lights. Okay. I'm gonna sit down. Okay. I know what I should do. I should go to work. I know I just not came. I can walk my way. I can walk my way. Can you go into your office? I was just reading the tag. Some person said to the manager, can you, and be the manager. I don't want to play. Oh, so this girl doesn't want to play the game? So she just be manager. She doesn't have to do any work. That's a good thing because we can just now. We can just no hope. I want to go in the office. Okay, I'm gonna start work. I should probably do. Okay, I got that much cash when I didn't even work a bit. We have 6 boxes left, so I'm not gonna be a pizza boxer. I'm gonna see what I can be. I can be a cook. Not good. A cook. There we go. I can make some pizzas. In my work unit. Oh, the manager made me employee of the day. Thank you, but I just now started working. Maybe she didn't know that. I think she thought that I was working from all that time. Which is kind of good because she kind of got cheated off, which I kind of don't like. I am my cook, a cook job. A cook is literally my favorite because, guys, I just like being a cook because it's really fun to be. Even if I am not good at it, I'm just gonna be a cook because I'm yes, why not? I'm gonna close both of those ovens. You can't be fired here. You can't be fired here. I'm reading the chat. People are done. Yes, because I am manager, you can be fine. Oh my God, we're out of cheese. I can't build without. So shut up, because I am in a mood today. Oh, the manager is not really nice because she's not actually letting people she's not letting people, you know, what do you call it? She's not letting people be at the workplace. The Builder Brothers Pizza. Builder Brothers Pizza. I'm like, there's a job. Well, if you don't know who I'm calling Builder Brother, it's basically that pizza shop which I was just in. Remember, guys, I was a cook and I was just not in the place. I was doing my job. So, like, anyways, I'm gonna get in. I need to go in. There we go. That's perfect. Kind of went slam. We need. Oh my God! There's no cheese and no boxes and no dough and no fizzy. Oh my God! I don't know what to do. This is just going crazy. Oh my God! I don't know what to do. There's even zero fizzy. Oh my God! Okay, I gotta put all of this in here. I don't know what that brown thing is. I'm just gonna put it in there. I need to do this really fast because, like, everyone's gonna go on break. I don't want people to go on break because if they go on break, there'll be no workers, and if the manager goes on break, there's gonna be nothing. And then, okay, I don't even know what to tell him. So, okay, that's gonna be enough. That's gonna be enough. Well, at least I hope that's gonna be enough. No, I don't wanna go in the extra person seat. I need to go in the driver's seat. Hey, you cheese box, you're supposed to get in. No, cheese box. I need the cheese box. Put the cheese box. Fine, that's it. Leave about the cheese box. You need to go quick. Oh my God, this is crazy. I don't want anyone leaving their job just because they're out of the things. What is stupid manager? What? Oh my God, these people are being like so rude to each other. The manager is first of all, manager is being so rude, then one person is being rude. This is actually kind of crazy if you ask me. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video real quickly, so I gotta finish this up. Oh, I don't have to do that. I can just do that. Okay. Okay. I'm all done. Oh my God, one person's laughing over there. Okay. I hope everything restored. 9 boxes that restored. I don't know why the manager's crying. Why is the manager crying? She's restored. I did pretty good. I can't even speak. I did pretty good if you ask me. Okay. Okay, you're doing good, boy. You're doing good. Zuzaza boy. That's so wrong. I don't know how that was. I'm gonna cook a pizza. This bowl is kind of doing wrong, but okay, I guess. Gonna open all that. Okay. Why you crying? Okay, gonna put my cheese pizza. Gonna put that. There we go. I'm gonna cook. Ego was here and she is so mean and oh my God, I don't know why. I think someone was mean to the manager. I'm not sure I want to switch it. Oh my God, guys, that's me! That's me, guys! I'm so excited. Okay, we have 5 more minutes of the video, but anyway, I should probably end it. Okay. I have to end the video quickly. There are like 5 more minutes left. I'm gonna go for a swim, guys. If you don't mind me, splash into the water and be swimming. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna swim towards the sun. Okay. So guys, I think I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope you enjoyed it. Smash that subscribe